Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. You have to start by open Philips headphones application. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu. Right here we have ambient sound control. So firstly make sure that you enable it by just click one time at the slider, and then make sure that you use transparency. So tap at the awareness. Now we use it. So to manage them, just tap again, and right here we can or swap to voice mode, or just click at the transparency and change the level. So by default it uses maximum level. You can lower it by just move this dot to the left. The most important, after you change it, click Done. And now, as you can see, we saved it. The same with the voice mode, just click Done. Now we use voice mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.